Did you know that LinkedIn is home to over 1 billion users worldwide? Think of all that untapped potential. All those clicks, views, and likes. Despite having over 1 billion users, many businesses do not use LinkedIn correctly. And in 2025, if you're not consistently making content on LinkedIn, then you're leaving money on the table. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly why LinkedIn should be your top priority when it comes to growing your business, and exactly how you can 10x your business just by posting content on the platform. Let's start with the most important question. Why LinkedIn? Why not Instagram, TikTok, or X? The answer comes down to 3 crucial factors. First, LinkedIn has higher quality leads. This isn't just my opinion. This is backed by data. 44% of LinkedIn users earn over $75,000 per year. These aren't just random people doom scrolling on their phones. These are decision makers with actual budgets. So Jordan, you're telling me you can't use TikTok trends to grow my business? Sorry to break it to you, buddy, but the answer is no. On platforms like X or Instagram, you're competing with literally millions of creators for attention. And on LinkedIn, only 1% of users create content. That means 99% of users are just consumers, waiting for someone like you to give them valuable insights. It's like showing up to a networking event where everyone wants to listen and hardly anyone wants to talk. Making content on LinkedIn is like making a mini TED Talk with big potential for your voice to be heard by lots of people across the board. That's basically the dream scenario for anyone trying to build authority. Third, LinkedIn's algorithm favors evergreen content. X is all about what's trending now. The biggest news, the biggest memes, whatever, miss that window, your post disappears forever. But LinkedIn's algorithm is designed to surface valuable content for weeks or even months. I've had posts from 6 months ago that are still generating leads because LinkedIn keeps showing it to new people who find it valuable. This means that your content keeps working for you long after you post it. The mix of high quality audience and low competition and a supportive algorithm that creates unique opportunity is the perfect storm that you won't find anywhere else. So, what happens when you start constantly creating content on LinkedIn? Let me walk you through the 4 major benefits. First, you establish yourself as a thought leader. When you regularly share valuable insights about your industry, people start seeing you as the go-to expert. When you're an expert, people trust you a whole lot more. They want to get to know you, and boom, now you're suddenly getting more leads. It's that simple. Second, you expand your network with the right people. Every post you make is a chance to connect with more potential clients, partners, or collaborations. And these aren't cold connections. These are people who already know your thinking and value what you have to say. It's like the difference between saying, "Hey stranger, want to buy my stuff?" Or, "Hey, I loved your post on X. I've been thinking about the exact same problem." Which conversation would you rather have? Third, you generate inbound leads constantly. This is a big one. When you consistently share valuable content, people start coming to you. Did you know that nearly 25% of all B2B digital advertising happens on LinkedIn? There's a reason for that. It works. Finally, you boost your visibility exponentially. Every time someone likes, comments, or shares your post, it gets shared to their network too. It's like having a sales team that works 24/7, even while you sleep. Oh look, new leads while I was sleeping. Now that's what I call passive income. I spent a good while glazing LinkedIn content, but now let's get to the important bit. What type of content should you post? After testing across hundreds of posts across hundreds of different accounts, I've identified 5 formats that consistently outperform everything else. First of all, text posts. Simple, value-packed text posts still crush it on LinkedIn. The key is to start with a strong hook and deliver actual value in the middle, and end it with a question that drives engagement. For example, most businesses waste time on LinkedIn doing X when they should be doing Y instead. We tested both approaches with 50 clients and found Y generated 3 times more leads. Have you tried either approach? That's it. Nothing crazy. just valuable insights that help your audience. Number 2, images. Posts with images get 2 times more engagement than text posts only. But don't just use generic stock photos. Use real images from your work, custom graphics with data, or visuals that enhance your message. Nobody needs to see another picture of people in suits high-fiving around a laptop. Like, nobody needs to see this. Number 3 is videos. This is where you can really stand out. Videos get shared 20 times more than any other type of content on LinkedIn. Keep them under 2 minutes for maximum impact, and always start with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. Number 4 is polls. These are engagement magnets. People love sharing their opinions, and polls make it super easy. Plus, the algorithm loves them because they drive interaction. A simple poll with 4 options related to the industry can generate dozens of new conversations. 5th and finally is documents. PDFs, slideshow, reports, stuff like that gets 3 times more clicks than regular posts. They position you as an authority and gives real value to your audience. For example, a simple 5-pager PDF called "The 3 Biggest Mistakes in Your Industry" can drive some serious engagement. Now that you know what type of content works, let's talk about how to make that content. I've developed a simple 5-step system that works across all industries. Number 1, provide value first. The biggest mistake I see is people trying to sell right away. Don't do that. LinkedIn is not a marketplace, it's a relationship platform. Would you go on a date with someone trying to sell you in their first message? Didn't think so. Value first, solve problems, answer questions, and the sale will follow naturally. Number 2, engage actively. Don't post and ghost. Spend 15 to 20 minutes a day responding and commenting and engaging with other people's content. This signals to LinkedIn that you're an active user, and they will reward you by showing your content to more people. Number 3 is use relevant hashtags, not 25 hashtags like Instagram. Just 3 to 5 ones that your ideal client might follow. This helps your content reach people from outside your immediate network. Number 4 is optimizing your posting times. The best times to post on LinkedIn are Tuesday through Thursday between 8 and 10 a.m. and 1 to 2 p.m. That's when professionals are checking their feeds, either starting their day or during lunch breaks. Oh no, it's 10:01, I missed the window, my LinkedIn career is over. Relax, buddy, it's really not that deep. But timing does matter. Number 5 is consistency is key. You don't need to post every day. That can actually backfire, but aim for 1 to 2 quality posts per week. Quality over quantity always. 1 post a week will outperform 5 shitty posts every single time. Now let's bring this all together. Creating content on LinkedIn isn't a marketing tactic. It's a key strategy that boosts every single thing you do. When you consistently share valuable insights, you build authority in your industry. You attract high quality connections, and you generate inbound leads. And you can create a foundation for successful outreach. Making content on LinkedIn can completely transform your business. But here's one thing, the window of opportunity will not stay open for forever. As more people realize the potential of LinkedIn content, the competition will keep growing. The best time to start was a year ago, and the second best time to start is today. So here's what I want you to do. Commit to just creating 1 LinkedIn post this week, just 1. Use the framework I've shared today and see what happens. And if you're ready to take your LinkedIn strategy to the next level, check out Reachium. We help businesses generate consistent leads through LinkedIn with our proven outreach and content strategies. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more LinkedIn strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.